Let's do this makeup today. Tell us to bring a contact lens first. Mixed race model. Then let's do a pre-makeup. The texture is relatively refreshing, so I feel like before using it for makeup, more suitable. Then go straight to the foundation. Then open him. Then we use a foundation to remove the makeup. Never be nervous with a small brush. Then take it out and use a large loose powder cream. Just press it directly. Then come to draw eyebrows. I usually like to keep my brows down a bit. Use a brush or even leave it to him to comb naturally. Then we take out the eyebrow color, using an oblique head brush to dip the nose. Lift the empty space in it. Then use the umbrella brush on the other end. Dip in the darkest color. Sweep the brow. Then take out our eyebrow paste. Spray the brush to a non-dripping state. Then brush twice like this to brush the eyebrows. Then we describe. Deepening triangle. Then draw a horizontal nail on the nose. Why can't you? Then the cigarette for today has not been painted yet. Just lay it directly on the eyelids. Then draw a flatter brush. Draw him a small fan. Let me check my toes, my breath right quick. You ain't ever seen it and I drop. And press like this. And eyeshadow salvo. Then we'll apply a double eyelid. Use 1/3 of the sticker on his tail to hold down 1/3. Pull a little bit in the middle and then press and hold. And let's curl the eyelashes. Push the base of the eyelashes up. Then clamp. Base brush with eyelashes. Then let's draw the eyeliner triangle. Replace the lower limbs. Get a blush to improve complexion and shrink. Then brush the eyelashes first. Then dip the light brown and eyeshadow brush. Then draw eyeshadow. Then stick a false eyelash. This lip glaze. Let me change this mouth brown. Then the last step, highlights. Today's makeup is over. Bye.